Hello, my name is Ahmed, and I'll be demonstrating how to use the voice agent feature of Expertise AI. So, if you go to the voice agent section of the Expertise AI, here you can press the Create Voice Agent button. Once you create that, click on that. You read with this section where you can basically put the name of your bot. Let's say if I want to name it ProMed Hair, you can give it avatar, then an agent role. Let's say I want a customer support role. Then you can give the language that you want the bot to speak in. Let's say I want it to be English. Then you could set the speaking speed at the speed at which the bot should speak. And let's say if I want the accent to be, I can choose any accent I want. I want the accent to be American at this point. And after that, I can set a tune your model section. Here you can give it specific instructions of on what to do. So let's say I want to say you are a group and you will give information to the customers on the business. Okay. So let's say I'm happy with what I've put in, and then I can press create button, and this section will show up. So here is your voice agent bot. It's not configured as of now. Let's see how we can configure that. So if you go into the manage call section, this is where all the configurations of your voice comes in, and the data center is the place where you can give information on uh, your business and everything. Let's say I want to give it information on ProMed Hair. I will basically go to ProMed Hair's website. Yeah, so I'll go into the website section. I'll paste, let's say, the link to the website. I'll upload it. And after that, I go to the embed data section. Here, I'll press the process now. This will show me the set of URLs that I can get information from. Let's say I want to select a certain number of URLs. Let's say I want to select the first 16 ones that I can see. Okay. And then I can confirm the selection. And after that, once I'm done selecting, I can press the embed button. This usually takes a couple of minutes. And after that, your knowledge base is ready. I'll pause this for now. So I'm back. My embedding is done. As you can see, it says embedded. This means the bot knows all about the website that we've given it now. So this part is done. Now, since it has the knowledge, now we need to configure how the call section works. So here, if we go in, we have all the tools necessary to use these, but like we need to set up a number first. So for that purpose, we go into the phone number section. Here, you'll basically see all the phone numbers that you have with you right now. I already had one, but I will still buy a new phone number for you. So here you can basically go in, select the country that you want to buy phone numbers for from Australia, and like in Australia as well, we want to go to South Australia and Adelaide. We can press search numbers. If the numbers are present and we have available numbers for that, you should be shown a list of those numbers. We can select any one of these, and once you get one of these, you basically see the monthly cost that incurs on you, and all the information regarding that. We can click purchase number to buy a certain number. I will skip on that part because we already have a number. So let's say if you already had a number, you don't want to buy one, and you want to assign this to your bot. So what you can do is if you want to make this number free, I'll basically unassign this and then basically assign this to my current bot, which is ProMed Hair. So it's as easy as that. Now we have a number assigned to our bot. So we're done with assigning numbers. Now let's go and add a template for our bot because obviously it needs to know what it wants to speak. So let's say I want to give ProMed Hair introduction, and I have a certain template that we can use. So this is the template. So hello, I'm calling from ProMed Hair Clinic. I'm speaking with lead name. Let's say I want to keep this as my name for now, and we can create this template. As you can see, the template is created. Now we can use these templates to initiate calls or schedule calls. Let's say I want to initiate a single call to me. I'll add my number, and as you can see, I'm getting the call right now. Let's accept that.
Hello, I'm calling from ProMed Clinic. Am I speaking with Ahmed?
Yes, you're speaking with Ahmed.
Great. If you are available, may I take a few seconds of your time to tell you more about our services?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
We provide services in areas such as hair transplant, dental treatments, plastic surgery, and obesity. Thank you for your interest. Our medical consultant will contact you as soon as possible to share all the details. Would it be okay to communicate via WhatsApp?
I don't like WhatsApp.
I understand. Which app would you prefer for communication? We can use Telegram, Signal, or another app of your choice.
Do you guys do Signal?
Absolutely. We can use Signal. Our consultant will reach out to you on Signal shortly. Thank you for your preference. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Yeah, I'm interested in knowing what ProMed Hair is.
ProMed Clinic is an international health clinic located in Istanbul, Turkey. We specialize in a range of medicals, including hair transplantation, dental treatments, medical aesthetics, plastic surgery, and obesity surgery. If you'd like more detailed information about our services, our medical consultant will be happy to provide you with all the details.
That sounds good. I'll be happy to get in contact.
Medical consultant will contact you on Signal soon to share all the details. Thank you for your interest, and we look forward to assisting you. Have a great day.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you for your time, and we wish you...
As you can see, so that was like an outbound call to me, which I initiated using this platform. Now I can make certain bulk calls as well, and I could add certain calls. Let's say if I want to add the same call to me, I can add this call. I can add another call to someone else. Let's say if that's the same guy to me. And I could press this initiate two calls, and it's going to call everybody at the same time as well. Let's say if you're not interested in calling right now, you want to schedule this at a later time. Okay, so we have this feature called schedule calls. So if you want to schedule a call, let's say I want to schedule a call to myself using the language English, the same template, and I want to schedule this. Let's say I want to set the time. It's going to be 5th September and probably around 1 minute after. So, and the time zone you can set accordingly. And let's say if I want to schedule this call, so I'll be getting this call approximately in a minute. And let's say I can see the status of this call as well, like what's happening with the call, if it's been made or if it's not been made. So let's wait for this call to come in. I'll pause till now. As you might hear, it's 10:52. I'm getting a call right now. It's the same one, and I'll put it on speaker.
Hello, I'm calling from ProMed Clinic. Am I speaking with Ahmed?
Yeah, you're speaking with Ahmed. Yep, thank you. So that's how the schedule feature works. You could probably schedule it anytime. Let's say if you want to schedule in bulk, we have the manual entry option where you can enter manually, or you can upload a CSV. So for CSVs, we basically give you a template that you can use. If I use a download template, I'll open this up. So I do have a template ready already. I can upload a CSV file over here, and as you can see, it sees the template, and I can schedule calls from here. It says that it found 2 calls on the template, and it will use those templates to make the calls. And if you go in here, we can see that the call has been scheduled accordingly. Two calls are scheduled at the moment, once in Spanish and once in French. So we can set those accordingly as well. So everything is automated, everything will be done automatically. Now, this feature isn't limited to making outbound calls only, we can make inbound calls as well. Let's say I want to make a call to the business itself. So we anybody can make a call to the certain number. If I go ahead and do that,
Welcome to ProMed Hair. G'day there. What?
can you hear me?
Loud and clear. How can I help you today?
Yeah, so what is ProMed here?
ProMed Hair is all about providing top-notch hair transplant and restoration services. Whether you're looking to combat hair loss or just want to enhance your hair's appearance, they've got you covered with no care and advanced techniques. Anything else you'd like to know?
Can I book a consultation with a consultant about a possible hair transplant that I want?
Absolutely. I can help you schedule a consultation with one of our consultants. Could you please provide me with your preferred date and time for the appointment?
I'd like to do it on 7th of August, 9 p.m.
I'll check the availability for a consultation on
Yep,
the 7th of
that's
October.
good. So as you can see, we can make these calls as well. And I'll show you another feature that these call logs actually go over to Bittrex as well. Let's say if I make a certain call to myself again, I get the call. Hello, how are you doing? How are you not doing? Blah 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 blah. That's enough. Okay. And if we go over to the Bittrex section, you can see we have no calls right now, but like if I refresh this page, we should be able to see a couple of calls in here. And as you can see, we have three sections showing that the calls were made, like who was responsible for them and when they were made. And let's say if I go over to one of the sections, so as you can see, the general section, it actually shows you when the call was made, the reason, the conversation summary, all of those things, and also the recording for that certain call is also present within the Bittrex section. So all the details for the leads come over into the Bittrex as well. So these features, as you can see, are pretty solid, and more information can be provided on these features based on request. So thank you.